hide any folder with the help of CMD command. So first we will find out the particular folder which we want to hide. So as I want to hide this data folder by the help of CMD command, then we will click on the command path and here we will type CMD. Then we'll see that there will be a icon and here we will type attrib plus h plus s then plus r and we'll type the name of folder which is a data. So we'll hit the enter button. We'll check that it is hidden or not yet. So now if anyone will try to see hidden items from the view options, then he or she will not be able to see that particular folder, but we will have to just show in by the help of CMD command. So we will again type here on the path CMD and we'll search for it. So now it is generating error because there was a different thing. So now we will type in this way and we'll type again section, but here we will use attrib minus h then minus s then minus r and the folder name which is a data, and it will be visible now. So if you really love this video, so please do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.